Students, let me know whether my screen is visible. Rishi Jha. Rishi, whether my screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So let's start. So yesterday we had started with object-oriented programming. Fine. So let's go into the theoretical concepts of our first unit. I'll just open the syllabus one so that. Sorry for it. Still, the students are joining. Okay. Rucha Kolte. Rucha.
Ma'am? Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Rucha.
Ma'am?
Rucha. Is the
Yes.
same issue is happening with you all? I don't know, but when I'm joining, no, sometimes in between the Teams meeting is going to get interrupted, and it is I'm getting out of it. Same thing is happening with you all also.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Because I was disconnected twice, so I thought that
Yes,
No,
someone
ma'am.
is
ma'am. It's
doing
not
Sometimes,
something
happening
or
with
what.
us.
Someone is
sometimes
removing
it
me or something. It is
happens.
doing.
Ma'am, we are
No, ma'am. It
guests. Ma'am, we
Ma'am, you
can't
are the
happens.
remove you,
host.
right? You are the
Sorry.
host. Ma'am, we are guests. We can't
Ma'am,
remove
you
you.
are the host. We can't remove you.
I don't know what is happening then because settings are also like that only. Okay, let it be. I'll again share then. Twice I shared, but I don't know what is happening.
I think the issue is with system, ma'am.
Ma'am, sometimes the network fluctuates and we got removed.
No,
It
dear, we are using broadband. No, we are physically in college and we are using broadband. And the issue is, no, I had an accident, so I cannot move continuously from one place to another. So my system is also updated. Let it be. I'll try once more. Let me know that when the screen is visible.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It's visible, ma'am.
Let's pray to God that it should work now properly. Okay. So, so we started with object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming is basically, we know that yesterday I had discussed about the difference between your procedural programming and the object-oriented programming. So I told you what, in short, that what are the benefits of object-oriented and what are the cons of your procedural-oriented. Fine. The reason why we are moving on to object oriented. So there are different benefits. Those benefits are also named as in features of your object oriented programming. Fine. So the languages like your C++, Java, Script, all they are coming in the category of object oriented. Even .NET, VB.NET or C Sharp, they're also in this category. Fine. So, what is when we are talking about an object oriented? What is the meaning of it? So, everything in this programming language is moving, around the term object, around an end.
कुठे जाऊन आली?
पेपर भरायचं उद्या शेवट किती दिवसापासून रोज बोलतो पेपर्स घ्या पेपर्स घ्या आता म्हणतात मला आठवत नाही की तू कॅन्सल केली असते